Merong 5th anniversary promo ang CIMB. You can earn up to 15% per annum interest on your total average daily balance. Walang limit. And promo runs from November 1 to December 31, 2023. For this promo, only UpSave and GSave accounts are eligible. Hindi kasama ang Fast Plus. Base interest rate without promo ng UpSave is 2.5% per annum and 2.6% per annum naman sa GSave. Here are the promo mechanics. For existing CIMB users, you just need to keep your savings sa CIMB to earn 5% per annum on all your balance. No ADB cap, inclusive of the base interest rate. And then from 5%, you can get additional 1% if you grow your total ADB by at least 5,000 pesos compared to the previous month's total ADB. Pero merong catch ito, kasi sa pag-add ng funds sa CIMB, kailangan mong gamitin ang cash-in feature ng CIMB app. Nakasulat, ADB growth in a qualifying month must be performed via cash-in transaction. Pag nag-online fund transfer ka from other bank to your CIMB account, hindi siya mako-consider sa promo. So wala ka additional 1% pag hindi mo ginamit ang cash-in feature ng CIMB. To cash in, mag-login sa app, choose cash in. Pwedeng mag-cash in online and over the counter. Pag online, you can cash in using any of these banks. Walang BPI and Union Bank sa online cash in nila. Kaya hassle lang mag-cash in kasi via Dragon Pay. Nag-try ako mag-cash in using Security Bank online payment. Merong payment instructions na pinadala sa email and meron din deadline kung kailan dapat bayaran. I tried it twice sa Security Bank pero ayaw mag-proceed ng transaction. I checked my balance, wala naman nabawas sa account ko. So, failed attempt. So, sa ngayon, 5% pa rin ako. Puwede rin mag-cash in over the counter sa 7-Eleven, over the counter banks, and other payment center. Over the counter banks ay same din, magbabayad via Dragon Pay and merong fee na 100 pesos. Kaya hindi rin ako nag-proceed dito kasi sayang din ang 100 pesos na fee. From 6%, you can get additional 2% if you spend a total cumulative amount of at least 5,000 pesos using your virtual debit card. Kung wala ka pang virtual debit card, pwede kang mag-request sa CIMB app. Punta ka lang sa cards and then click request a card. Free ang virtual debit card. And pwede ka rin mag-request ng physical debit card pero may bayad na 300 pesos. Nakuha ko ang physical debit card ko noong 2019. Free pa noong time na yon, so wala akong binayaran. From 8% per annum, pwede pang madagdagan ng additional na 3% per annum ang interest. Pero malaki na ang spending requirement. Spend a total cumulative amount of at least 50,000 pesos using your virtual debit card for bills, payment, and load using CIMB app. So, ito yung mga pwedeng bayaran sa bills payment ng CIMB. Pero sa ngayon, limited lang ang billers na included sa bills payment ng CIMB. Yung government, airlines, and utilities wala pang laman. Yung sa credit card naman, 3 banks lang ang included. I think mahirap ma-achieve itong 50,000 bills payment requirement kasi limited ang pwedeng bayaran sa CIMB as of the making of this video. And then you can get another 4% per annum if you grow your total ADB by at least 50,000 pesos compared to previous month's ADB. So same requirement din dito, kailangan gamitin ang cash-in feature ng CIMB app. For new customers naman, you can earn up to 10% per annum. So pag nag-open ka ng account mo, automatic 5% interest per annum from November to December. And then plus 2% if you spend 5,000 pesos using virtual debit card. And you can get additional 3% if you spend 50,000 pesos using virtual debit card for bills, payment, and load ng CIMB app. So, ano masasabi nyo sa anniversary promo ng CIMB? Kaya ba ang 15% per annum na interest? Let me know your thoughts sa comment section below. If you like this video, hit the like button. It will help this channel grow. Thank you.